Welcome to Multilingual Zotero, an experimental variant of the main Zotero client that is designed to serve the needs of scholars working across multiple languages and scripts. This is the first of several screencasts illustrating the main features of the multilingual version. Let's begin. We will assume that you are familiar with mainstream Zotero, and we will concentrate only on the specific things that have been added in this version of the client. As you can see, we have already added an item to our small library here in Japanese. We would like to add some supplementary metadata to this item, specifically a romanized version of the title, romanized version of the author, the series name, the place of publication, and the publisher will be useful. We'd also like to have an English translation of the title so that when we're citing this to an English-speaking audience we can tell them what it says. And we would like for both the title and the author to have versions of these fields in the Japanese phonetic script that's used for sorting when we produce a native language bibliography that uses the entries in the native Japanese script that you see here. In order to do that, we need to wake up the languages that we're going to use. And we do that by opening the Preferences panel, which opens in the usual way. And then we open the Languages Preferences tab. And here we are. Now to add a language, we enter the first few characters of it in the Add a Language search box here. And we'll start with Japanese, which turns up, and we select it, and we get a tag here in the list. Now, in addition to Japanese, we want to have Japanese romanization. That's a variant of the original language, and we get one of those by clicking on the plus tag. And then, in this case, the American Library Association Library of Congress romanization method defined in 1997, which is the best definition we have available of the Hepburn romanization system for Japanese. We would also like to use the hiragana transliteration mechanism, but you can see that even when I spell it correctly, it doesn't turn up as a language because, in fact, of course, it's not a language, it's a variant of Japanese. It's a script variant. So if we scroll down in the script menu here, we'll find it right there as hiragana. We click on that and we get our variant tag. And in addition, we'd like to have English. Having selected these languages, we can now give them more people-friendly names. So we'll call English English. And Japanese will record here in Japanese itself. And for hiragana, we can do that in Japanese as well.